Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting in store for you. We'll be sharing the top 10 most fascinating facts about technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Fact 1. Did you know that the very first computer mouse was actually made of wood? That's right. In 1964, Douglas Engelbart created the prototype, called the XY position indicator for a display system, featuring one button and two wheels, all crafted from wood. Fact 2. It's important to note that the Internet and the World Wide Web are not the same thing. While the Internet is a vast global network connecting computers, the World Wide Web is an information system running on top of the Internet, providing access to websites and web pages. Fact 3. Back in 1992, IBM introduced the world's first smartphone, the Simon. It boasted a touchscreen, email capabilities, and even support for third-party apps, setting the stage for the future of mobile technology. Fact 4. Ada Lovelace, an English mathematician, is widely recognized as the world's first computer programmer. Her groundbreaking work in the 1840s involved developing the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine, making her a true pioneer in the field. Fact 5. Ever wonder why software or hardware issues are often referred to as bugs? Well, it all started in 1947 when an actual moth got stuck in a relay of the Mark II computer. Engineers labeled it a bug, and the term has stuck around ever since. Fact 6. Did you know that the world's first webcam was initially used to monitor a coffee pot? Back in 1991, researchers at the University of Cambridge set up a webcam that allowed people to check if there was coffee available before heading to the coffee room. Talk about innovation. Fact 7. Prepare to be amazed. As of September 2021, the Fugaku supercomputer, developed by Riken and Fujitsu, reigns as the world's fastest. This powerhouse can perform over 442 quadrillion calculations per second, equivalent to a mind-boggling 442 petaflops. Fact 8. Back in 1980, the first commercially available 1 GB hard drive made its debut. However, it wasn't the compact device we're used to today. This giant weighed over a ton and was about the size of a refrigerator. Oh, how far we've come. Fact 9. Believe it or not, the concept of 3D printing actually dates back to the 1980s. Charles Hull introduced stereolithography, a process that used photopolymerization to create 3D objects layer by layer. This innovation laid the foundation for the incredible advancements we see today. Fact 10. Brace yourselves for this one. The computer that guided the historic Apollo 11 mission to the moon in 1969, known as the Apollo Guidance Computer, AGC, had less processing power than your average modern smartphone. With only 64 kilobytes of memory and operating at a speed of 0.043 MHz, it's truly remarkable what was achieved with limited resources. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 mind-blowing facts about technology. We hope you found them as intriguing as we did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of technology.